Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome to the stream. Bitcoin's trying to get a little pump right now. I don't know if I'm too sold on this. Okay, I will say as we jump on here, I don't know if I'm too sold on this, but Bitcoin's trying to get a pump, 36,200. I was trying to jump a little bit on a little bit earlier, but unfortunately I was struggling with something over here. But we're back. We're on. So 36.2. Bitcoin got as high as about 36,500. Looks like. And now we're kind of coming back down a little bit, but will we go higher, right? Will Bitcoin go up higher? That is the question for the day. I guys been said I'm slightly short-term bearish right now, but I just can't trust any pump that Bitcoin has right now. But not looking too shabby at the moment. Not looking too shabby. We gotta see. We gotta see what happens next. You know what I mean? If we look at the technical breakout target of this, right? If we were to take the swing high to the swing low and actually bring this up to the upside, right? That would give us a potential target of upwards of about 39,000, okay? So 39,000 would be the upwards target. Do I trust it to go up there? Not so much. Not so much. We were able to get back above the 50 EMA on the 1 hour temporarily, but we got to see where we close. We got 28 minutes to see where we close, and then we got to figure out where we kind of go in there. You know what I mean? Wildcat said, struggle with what, Joy? What are you hiding? You don't want to know, man. You don't want to know what I'm hiding over here. But, yeah, I mean, so we're not looking too shabby. Now I want to remind everyone, okay? I wanted to remind everyone. No, my account did not get hacked today, guys. I did want to say that at the beginning of the stream today. I did hear that a few YouTubers' accounts got hacked today. Mine didn't. Why? Because I got the best security in the game. I got the best security in the game. I got this gadget. I got that gadget. I got this gadget over here. I got a lock on here. I got every gadget you can think of security. So my account didn't get hacked. I'm sort of half kidding. But a lot of people got hacked. Don't fall for those, any of these accounts that might be having like a live stream or a video telling you, you could get this for free. You could get that for free. You could get this for free. Don't fall for any of those damn accounts, okay? I'm not going to lie, guys. I'm not going to lie. I'm not going to sugarcoat it here. And people were making me laugh earlier. And it's not funny because I know people actually do get scammed by that stuff. But, if you fall for one of those scams, I have to say, bro. I have to say, if you actually fall for one of those scams, like, dude, what do you think is going to happen? You're going to give some random stranger 1 Bitcoin, and then they're going to give you 2 Bitcoins back? Come on, man.
Bruh.
Don't fall for that stuff, okay? Don't fall for that stuff. That's just common sense. I feel like I shouldn't even have to say that. Windows said you have 20 subscribers. Fact. Facts. Alco said my password's password. Facts, man. Anyways, let's jump on into it. So Bitcoin on the 4 hour, we are getting a nice reversal back up to the upside, where we have, we kind of came down, we kind of came down here. We got a nice little W pattern, okay? A nice little W pattern here, where we went to the downside, came back up, came back down, or coming back up. So it looks like we did break out of a W pattern. Like I said, I'm not fully convinced of this. Bitcoin's done this thing where it has these little fake moves to the upside. And then literally it just turns right back down and comes back down to the downside. But at least right now, let's not get too excited. Let's wait for a little bit more confirmation here before we get a little bit excited here in the short term. Because I'm just not fully convinced at the moment that this is going to be real, right? I know everyone in the chat, right? Everyone's bearish yesterday. Everyone's going to come in today. Everyone's going to come in today. And where's my guy? Where's my guy? Here he is. Strap up! The bull market's back, baby! Strap up! We're going to the moon! Guys, get ready! This is it! This is it! I'm telling you! This is the rocket that's going to bring us back up end of January, just like Jordan's been saying. Strap up! We're going to the moon! Relax. Don't get too ahead of ourselves just yet, okay? We can't get too ahead of ourselves just yet, all right? We just can't do it. So let's all relax and wait for a little bit more confirmation here. But the breakout is looking nice here on the short-term time frames, I will have to say. We just have to obviously wait for a close. Now, if we can get a close, just to look at, some of the shorter time frames, if we can get a close above about 36,200, okay, a close above 36,200, let's call it 36,164, okay, that would be a very, very, very good close. But or at least in the short term, I'm talking short term, guys. I'm not expecting a reversal right now, but at least a close about 36,164 would, I think, be the break of the neckline for our W pattern here. So at least short term, let's hope for a close above 36,164. We'll get the Viking helmet on as we get closer to the daily close and weekly close, actually, which is coming up in 23 minutes. 23 minutes. We got the weekly close coming up. I'm getting excited for the weekly close. I know someone else is not too excited right now. Don't get too excited. Don't get too excited, guys. We're going back down. I'm already loading up my short. I have a short from the top of this wick, 36,500. Let's actually put my liquidation price on screen. 36,500. That's my liquidation price, guys. I'm already locked and loaded. Don't get too excited, bulls. We're going right back down to the downside. I'm telling you. We're going right back down. All right. Let's see if we can liquidate Jabba today. Oh gosh, no Jabba. Let's see if we can liquidate Jabba today. 36,500 and we liquidate his butt. All right. So I want to liquidate his butt. We all want to liquidate his butt. So let's see if we can get back up there. So if there's any whales in the chat, you know what to do. You know what to do, man. You know what to do, guys. Look at NASDAQ futures for tomorrow. They're going up. All right, NASDAQ, guys, I don't have it up here right now, but NASDAQ and S&P futures. How are those looking right now? Because obviously, we're going to talk about some stuff today, but a lot depends on how the stock market's going to look tomorrow. And the whole week, right? We got a big week this week. It's a big, big week for crypto this week. Obviously, we've been hyping up the end of January for a possible reversal. We got all the Fed meetings this week. We got to see what the stock market does. We got a lot of different things coming up this week. It's going to be an interesting week for crypto as a whole, and could really decide on, at least for the short term, where we could go. We're going to get a relief rally back up, or we're going to continue down before getting a relief rally. That's gonna be the case. Shane said 30K too obvious, not happening. I would tend to agree, but maybe because 30K is so obvious, it makes it not obvious because everyone thinks that it's obvious. All right. Jordan getting a pump for its birthday. Listen, I want to play the pump song right now. What do you guys think? Yeah, I'll let you guys vote. Should we get, okay? How should I say this? Should we play the pump song right now? Let me know. Let me know in the chat. Dow futures looking positive. That's good. That might be a slight reason why Bitcoin's getting a slight move up here, right? Obviously, it was consolidating as well. But that might be maybe a slight reason why we're getting a little bit of an uptick. The weekly close, listen, there's not really an important level I want to close above on the weekly. No? Everyone says no. Listen, I want to dance, bro. I want to dance. I'll just have to start singing then. Clappy song? No, don't jinx it. All right, no pump song. I agree. I just want to see what you guys said. There's not really an important level for us to close above on the weekly here that I'm getting like way too overexcited about right now. But I was looking at, right around the 35,565, which was our weekly close highs. And actually, I mean, the way Bitcoin's moving right now, obviously there's only 20 minutes left. So, I mean, can we get back above the June 28th wick high? Can we get back above that, which is 36.7? I think that's kind of unlikely at this point, unless we see some, like, a giant whale coming across the screen. Anyone see a giant whale coming across the screen? Anyone see one, man? I don't know. Does anyone see a giant whale coming across the screen? Oh, wow. There he is. All right. Maybe we have a shot. But no, at least it closed above the June weekly highs here. Above 35.5. At least this, holds some type of structure here. And it looks like we're probably going to do that unless we get some major dump right in the last 19 minutes here. But yeah, weekly, obviously, I don't have to say it, guys. We're not going to harp on the weekly time frame too much because I'm just going to say it. Like the weekly time frame, this weekly candle looks like absolute poo-poo. Absolute poo-poo. All right? It smells. It smells too. Can you guys smell it? It looks like poo. It smells like poo. I'm not going to say it feels like poo because that means I have to touch it. And I'm not trying to touch it. But, this weekly candle looks like absolute poo-poo. Absolute poo-poo. It's ridiculous. It's absolutely ridiculous. That was... DJ said that was one of Java's sperm. Bro, come on, man. You always got me in there. Always. That's Java swimming. Yo. All right. Anyways, there's not enough volume. I mean, there's no volume. There's no volume on the weekly. And I know. I always say my good friend Ben Cowan is always talking about lately is there's no volume. There's no volume. Guys, there's no volume on this dump. We're waiting for a giant liquidation candle. And we have not gotten a giant liquidation candle. Where is it? Where's the volume? All you bears talking about how bearish Bitcoin is. Then where's the volume, you salty bears? Where are you, you salty bears? Because I'll tell you right now, the bulls are salty. No, there's no. I'm not gonna. I mean, we can have the volume right here. I mean, I guess there's a little bit more volume coming in. It's a little bit more volume coming in. Not too shabby. It's the most volume that we've gotten since June, so not too shabby. What I will want to say is I do want to do a quick rant alert real quick.
Rant alert.
Guys, I want you guys to know that even though I might be I might be a bear in the short term. Okay, I still am. And right now, what Bitcoin's doing changes absolutely nothing to me. Okay, I'm still bullish long term, but I'm seeing all these charts, man. It's honestly getting a little bit on my nerves. I'm still seeing all these charts with people comparing our current market to 2017 and 2013. It's really getting on my nerves. It really, really is getting on my nerves. I'm not gonna lie. It really is. I open up Twitter. You got these guys having fractals from 2017, looking at fib levels from 2017. The market is completely different. I will say it again. The market is completely different. We can't compare to 2017 anymore. I mean, does this look like 2017 to you? Does this look like 2017? Does this price action right here look anything like over here? Never mind even saying that, 2017 was absolutely nuts. Does this look like this to you? Please, can we stop doing it? Let's just take the market for what it is. Let's stop trying to find these fractals and these 0.618 and 786 and blah, 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 blah. Comparing it to 2017. It is not the freaking same. Okay? I will say it again.
Rant alert.
Please stop doing it. But anyways, I want to get that out of the way. I'll probably rant a little bit more later about certain things. I have a few more rants coming up today. I'm feeling kind of ranty. I've been feeling kind of trolly lately. I've been trolling, guys. I've done something I haven't done lately. I've been trolling the bulls on Twitter. I've been trolling the bulls on Twitter. Can you believe it? And there's some people that can confirm this for me. I've been trolling everyone on Twitter. Because some of these things that they're looking at is just ridiculous to me. And this is coming from a bull, right? It's absolutely ridiculous. Now, like I said, if we go back to the daily chart, we're getting a little bit of a bounce right now. I still think this structure still looks like it's coming back down to the 31 to 29K region. I know everyone will say, that's too obvious. Like, if something's too obvious, that means it's not going to happen. And I would tend to disagree with that because This whole way down, people are saying, oh, we got to get a reversal back up. A move down's too obvious, right? A move down's too obvious. A move down's too obvious. A move down's too obvious. And, we've been saying that the whole way down, right? So, at what point do you stop saying a move down is obvious, right? I mean, yeah, it's obvious because the trend is slightly bearish. Now, listen, at some point, we know that Bitcoin's going to do what it wants to do, how it wants to do, what it wants to do, and who it wants to do it with. So at some point, Bitcoin will bounce back up to the upside, right? At some point, it'll bounce back to the upside. It's just a matter of a waiting game, right? It's a matter of a waiting game. And I don't mean to sound so bearish all the time right now. It's just a matter of me looking at the trend that we're currently in, not getting too excited over little micro moves until we break back above previous resistance points, and taking the market for what it is right now. And when the market does reverse, guess what? I haven't sold anything, and I will not sell anything. That's the key with holding. I can be bearish and still be happy when the price goes up, right? Because I still hold everything I already have. So I can be super excited when the price goes back up, right? And I can be happy when the price goes down because I can just load up more. It's a win-win. It's a win-win. Right now, I'm just taking it from the market for what it is, and I don't see anything bullish besides everyone saying the RSI is oversold. Hold on. 1 second, guys. Hold on.
Rant alert.
This is going to be my biggest rant of the day. This is going to be my biggest rant of the day, guys. I have seen every single person on Twitter saying the daily RSI is the most oversold that it's been since 2018. All right. Yes, I agree. Bitcoin is probably due for some type of relief rally. But my issue with what people are saying is just because the daily RSI is oversold does not mean that Bitcoin's going to blast up and go into some major bull market right now, right? If we take it for what it is, right, the daily RSI being pretty oversold from where it's been in the past, right? It's more oversold than it was in the summer. It's more oversold than it was since March 2020, right? But here's what Bitcoin can do. Bitcoin can get a retrace back up to 40K, reset the daily RSI, and then guess what? Bitcoin can just roll back over and come lower, right? That's how the RSI works. Just because you're oversold in the daily RSI does not mean you're going to blast off into a bull market, okay? It's just the simple way we got to think about things. Now, obviously, any bounce would be nice right now. I think any relief rally would be nice just to kind of get some morale back in the market because the morale is absolutely shot right now, okay? The morale is absolutely shot, okay? It's absolutely shot. I mean, listen, I'm more bearish than I've been in a long time. It's mostly to do with outside factors outside of crypto. But, listen, man, if Bitcoin can get back above 40,500, I would be a little bit more confident right now, okay? And mainly, it's still going to be that $47,000 range. It's still that $47,000 range. That's the big one. But I would feel a little bit more confident if Bitcoin could get back above 40,500, which is also the previous support, and not come back up, flip this as resistance. But if we can get back above this, all right, hey, we might be cooking. We might be cooking with something. But until then, even if we come up and come back down, it just looks like what we've done every time, right? Come back up, roll over. Come back up, roll over. Come back up, roll over. Come back up, roll over, right? I mean, that's kind of what we've done every single time. So just putting that out there, man. Just ranted a little bit because I'm seeing everyone pass around this daily RSI oversold. And I agree with it at some point, up to a certain point. But, obviously we're going to take it for what it is. Now, if this week, right, the Fed comes out and we start saying some really, really bullish things about, the rate hikes and things like this, right, then we might be looking a little bit better, right? But a lot of it's going to be coming down to stuff that's outside of crypto right now, in my opinion. Take time off, Jordan. Let Java take the reins. This is hit territory. Yeah. Listen, man. Oh, man. Much respect to the Jordan the Clown rants. Facts. Thank you, man. I'm just trying to spit the facts, man. Like I said, I always try to say that, guys. I am usually pretty biased bull, but I I am a realist, though. I'm a realist. I'm not going to sit up here and lie, right? I'm not going to sit up here and lie for views, right? I mean, it's just not how it is, bro. That's not how it is. I'm going to be a realist. And that's just the way I'm looking at the market right now. But anyways, people are also talking about the weekly RSI, getting to the March 2020 lows as well. I mean, I would say that the weekly is a little bit more convincing. We are getting pretty low in the weekly RSI. I would take more into account the weekly than the daily, especially for a at least a relief rally back to the upside, right? I mean, certainly if this comes lower, listen, the weekly RSI has only really been oversold in December 2018. That's really it. If that gets oversold, I would at least expect Bitcoin to have a relief rally back up. It's just a matter of, it's really just a matter of news, right? I mean, we can look at these things all we want, but if the news is bearish this week, boop. It is what it is. VCH said, Jordan, you're sounding like a lagging indicator. Probably true. That's probably true. It's probably true. I mean, listen, Bitcoin needs a relief rally at some point. It needs a relief rally at some point. No market goes straight down like no market goes straight up, right? Even when we go up, we have dips along the way. No market goes straight up. Right now we've pretty much gone straight down with no really significant, relief rallies, right? I'm not going to go back and compare to 2017. And people will look at May and say, all right, in May, Jordan, we never had a move back down, which is true, right? We never had a move back down or a relief rally back up. We just dumped right down, right straight to 30K. And I look at this and say, all right, we dumped straight down to 30K. Who's to say we don't do it this time? Who's to say we don't do it this time? Just jump straight down to 30K. That's just the way I'm looking at it right now. You know what I mean? It's 420. It's 420 T. Oh, I got my tea too. I got my shake and my tea. Look at this. I got the shake and the tea. Bully Dog said, "Where's the relief? Where's the relief? Where's the relief, man?" Let's see. I'm George. We're all George. Guys, I'm here to tell you today that there's no relief coming. There's no relief. I've been lying to you for the past 3 months. I have sold my entire portfolio and fed you guys hopium for the last 3 months. Now, a lot of you guys probably won't be George anymore, but that's okay. The true Georges will continue to stick around and will continue to stick around throughout the bear market. Okay? I've ran out of hopium. I don't have any hopium left. My hopium gauge is gone. All we have to do is wait to see what happens with the Fed meetings this week. That's really it. That's really it. I mean, we all rug. I'm a. I don't know what to say, guys. I don't have anything else to say. There's no fractals to look at. There's no bullish news coming out for Bitcoin. There's nothing bullish right now. There's literally nothing bullish right now. So all we're going to do today is we're just going to do a 40-minute show of Q&A, okay? A 40-minute show of Q&A. Sound good? Sound good? Perfect. All right. Let's do a 40-minute show of Q&A. I do think Bitcoin. I do think Bitcoin go. I do think Bitcoin go 40K soon. 40K soon. Yeah, it's definitely go 40K soon. Yep. No. Oh man, listen, man. Everyone's bearish, and I've always said, guys, when everyone gets bearish, that's usually a bullish sign. You guys know me. If you guys have been watching my channel forever, I've always said every time everyone gets bearish, that's usually a bullish sign. I said that throughout the summertime. I said that on the September dip. I've said that in pretty much every dip. When everyone gets bearish, that's a bullish sign. And I still do agree with that. I still do agree with that. And here's the thing. In normal market circumstances, right now, I feel like we're not in normal market circumstances. So you have to obviously take that into account. If there was nothing going, if Bitcoin was just falling right now and there was nothing going on outside of crypto, I would be saying those exact same things right now. I would be saying everyone's bearish right now. Everyone's bearish. Everyone's bearish. Everyone's bearish. Sentiment extremely low. Usually means that we're going to reverse to the upside. I just don't. I don't have that same gut feeling that I do right now. All right, I don't have that same gut feeling. But what I will say is, guys. I'm not saying that Bitcoin's going to go into some massive. I don't think Bitcoin's going to go some massive bear market here. I'm going to continue to say it. I do think we're within the next, end of the end of January, beginning of February. I do think that there's a good chance that we could swing back up, but we need some things to go our way, right? We need some things to go our way here in the macro. So let's obviously keep an eye on that. Continue to keep an eye on that, right? Continue to zoom out, right? You just got to continue to zoom out when it comes to things like this. I know that's such a cliche saying, and I know, guys, I've been in the space for so long that even some of the cliche sayings, like I can't even say them anymore because they're just so cringy. But it's true, man. You got to zoom out, realize what the bigger picture is, and if crypto is an investment to you, okay, these moves that last a couple months shouldn't really affect you, right? Because in the grand scheme of things, they're not that crazy, right? Someday you'll look back at this dump right here, even if we go lower, you'll look back at this dump right here, and it'll be a blip on the radar, okay? It'll be a blip on the radar someday, to the point where you'll be like, what the heck? What the heck is this? Like, did I really get faked out over here as the price moves up, wherever it goes moves up, right? At some point, this will be a blip in the radar. We're mostly just talking short-term things here. I do think at some point we're going to get a move back to the upside. It's just a matter of we need some things to go our way. Short term, okay? Short term, long term, still bull. Think we're still going up here at some point. I'm more so just talking maybe the next week or two, unless things really get bad. And obviously there we go. Kevin said, shouldn't y'all wait until Tuesday meeting to buy? I'm sure the market will fall again Tuesday. It's up to you, man. It's a risk. It's a risk. If things go better than we think, then we could pump. If things go worse than we think, we could dump. It's a risk, right? It's a risk that you have to be willing to take. Do you want to wait till that meeting, or do you want to wait? Want to buy before? What do you guys think? You guys think we're going to have a green week or a red week? Okay, green week or red week? What do you guys think for Bitcoin in the chat? Let me know. Denise said Super Bowl ads may give us another relief rally. I'm hoping, right? I will take a relief rally, right? Just to get some sentiment back up, man. Because listen, the sentiment in this market right now is absolutely putrid, man. It's so much negativity. And listen, I guess I'm kind of being negative too. I'm not being negative. I'm just looking at the charts and sort of seeing what I see. I'm more so talking about the people on Twitter like saying, "Oh, Bitcoin's dead. Bitcoin's dead. Bitcoin's never going to reverse back up. Bitcoin to 10K." Those are the comments that it's like, all right, you're getting a little bit too overboard here, in my opinion. Now, some people might actually think that Bitcoin's going to 10K, but we'll find out. Most people are saying red. Let me do a poll. So I can see this better. Let's see. Will Bitcoin have a green or red week this week? It's gonna be an interesting week. It will, and I promise I won't do green and I won't do yes and no answers, guys. Remember, every time I did a poll, I used to do a yes or no answer, literally every single time. It was great. It was absolutely great. Layer 2 say green. Fear and greed. Depends on the Fed. Yeah, it really does. It really does. And that's why I'm not going to jump to conclusions right now, man. I'm not going to jump to conclusions yet. We got to wait to see what really happens this week at the end of the day, you know? Ross said, turn the Bitcoin chart upside down, then analysis. Oh, man, turn the Bitcoin chart upside down. I like to do that sometimes to get your bias out of the way, right? I mean, if we were to flip this upside down, right? Sometimes I like doing that. Where is it? Let's see. Right? I mean, is this bullish or bearish, guys? Bullish or bearish? Bullish or bearish on this chart right here? I mean, listen. I mean, I would say, I gotta. I would say this looks bearish. I would say this looks bullish to me. This looks bullish to me. I don't know if you can really argue that this doesn't look bullish. Yeah. I don't know how you could argue this doesn't look bullish. But, you know, listen. Bearish? How does this look bearish? How does this look bearish? Come on, man. DJ said it looks like it needs a dump from that view. It could need a dump. It could need a dump, I guess. But you could also say the same thing right here. Bitcoin probably needed a pump, right? Looks like the DXY. It does look like it looks exactly like the DXY. That's funny. It looked bearish last time. Too much pump, got to come down. Too much pump. Bullish. The weekly Ichimoku. Oh, we just got the weekly close, guys. Let me check out the weekly close. So we closed at 30. What is it? 30. Right about 36K. Right? A little bit higher. 30 about 36,200. We got a close. We could close that. So that's where we're chilling right now on the weekly close. But like we said, man, on the short-term time frames, W reversal. Looks like we got the close above the previous high. Will this be a back test before a continuation to the upside now? Probably even better on the hourly here. We were able to close above the 50 EMA. Now will this hold? Will this come back down, back test? Will we wait for the back test and the continuation, right? I mean, obviously, a lot of times you see Bitcoin break out of these and then just curl right back over. So it's always important to wait for the back test on these. And then the continuation up before you get into any type of short-term trade, right? If this could, I mean, we've seen this plenty of times in the last couple months where Bitcoin breaks out of one of these, patterns and just curls right back down, right? Just continuously. Continuously. Yeah, guys, hit up that like button. Handleton said we got 1,500 people watching, 200 likes. Appreciate that, guys. I know a lot of you guys are hate me for spitting the truth here. Hate me for spitting the truth. Drew said too obvious. I agree, man. That's why you gotta wait. You gotta wait for a back test and a continuation. You can't. You've seen these things just make these higher highs and then just go boop, boop, right back down, boop, right back down, boop, right back down. I love how everything now is like, everything's like too obvious, right? And when back in the day, it was just, it was just bullish. Things are bullish or bearish. Put it on, didn't hear it for so long. All right, here you go. You want that? I got you, man. Where is he? Here he is. Hold on. There he is.
Basically, Bitcoin is clearly a scam. Cryptocurrency is clearly an idiot with no common sense. And scientifically speaking, according to a study at the Bank of Canada, more people who are financially illiterate invest in Bitcoin.
Exactly. You already know. I can already tell you right now what happened earlier today. You already had all the traders today. All the little YouTube traders today. Crap, I don't know. I don't have the face anymore, man. I gotta find the face. Wait, is this Carl? This will be Carl. Hello, guys. My name is Carl. Welcome to the moon. Guys, today, Bitcoin did break out of a symmetrical triangle. I just put in a massive long position. I just put in a massive long position on Bitcoin as we break out of the symmetrical triangle, guys. If we were to simply take out, sorry, I'm way too energetic right now. If we were to take out our measured move and put it to the upside, okay, and we were to look at the measured move target, that would give us a measured move of about 38,900. That's going to be my take profit area. I just put in a massive $1 million long position on this move, guys. If you guys want to follow my trade and also do the exact same things I'm doing, John, if you guys want to do the exact same things I'm doing, all you guys have to do is sign up using my Bybit link right down below, guys. You can also use my Prime XBT link, Bybit and Prime XBT right down below. If you guys want to also join in on this $1 million trade, don't miss out, guys. This is going to be the trade of the century. Also, guys, we're going to get out of topic real quick. Just a quick video. Make sure you guys go check out Costa, guys. It's going to be the best crypto project there has ever been. Costa app. Make sure you guys go follow it on Twitter, Costa app. You can also buy Costa over on Bybit as well if you sign up. So make sure you guys go check that out. It's a win-win, guys. You guys get a $4,100 bonus on Bybit, and you also get to buy Costa, which will be the next life-changing opportunity in cryptocurrency. Okay, I'll see you guys later. This is my view from my giant tower here. I'll catch you guys later. As always, it's Carl the Moon. See ya. All right. I actually like that one as Carl. We're going to save that one as Carl, man. There we go. Whoa, I'm Carl again. There we go. Fibonacci said I'm too high for this right now. Carl, John, you killed me with your comment, man. What did John say again? John said, what did John say? Take away the beard and oh man, I can't even take it seriously. But yeah, I mean, listen, you're probably had all the YouTube traders on here, saying to long this symmetrical triangle to the upside. Long it, guys, long it. But yeah, wait for confirmation. We've seen plenty of times Bitcoin just fakes out and comes back in more often than not, especially on this run that we've had recently. So don't get caught up there. I don't trust these pumps. I don't trust these pumps right now. I don't trust any of them. None of them. But all right. Weekly, just real quick on some, oh, no. 36, close enough. Whoa. Come on, man. Lax said, I wish we could get a green week, but inflation is a real problem. Okay, I can definitely agree, man. Definitely 100% agree with you, bro. 100% agree. Let's workshop that one. Call himself the floor. What? The weekly Ichimoku cloud, something I've been watching for a little bit here, because Bitcoin has had some weekly bounces off the weekly Ichimoku. You guys can see right here back in the September dip. Also, we were kind of riding it. We were riding it like a pony up here, baby. We were riding it like a pony. I want to take my horse in the old town road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. Gonna take my horse in the old town road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. Oh man, it was riding it like a pony down here. But we got a weekly close below the weekly Ichimoku, so which is interesting. First time we actually had a weekly close below that since back here in April of 2020, which is definitely interesting. But you also have that going for you, which is, I guess, not going for you. It's going against us. No. Boo. Oh, man. The Ichu. Someone said the Ichu or what? But yeah, you got a weekly close below that. A couple interesting things. We usually look at a log regression curve, which right now we usually look at the Fibonacci levels on this. If we were to go to our next Fibonacci level, which is would be right around 32K. So 32K would be our Fibonacci level that we would have to look out for in this scenario. Let me actually just fix this real quick, guys. This is going nuts. This is going absolutely nuts. Yeah, I mean, we're talking the 32K would be the next Fibonacci level, which matches up, you know, generally in this range. So, you know, Bitcoin likes to usually respect these fib levels on the log curve. So, at least like temporarily, sometimes you get support on them, sometimes you get resistance on them. Right around 32K is that next one coming up. So, we have one at 32K, and then this one, interesting enough, is actually right at like 20K right now. There's so many things right at 20K. There's log regression curve. There's also the 200 week moving average. There's so many things coming up at 20K. I don't expect Bitcoin to go to 20K. It's just a kind of coincidence that there's so many things there at the moment. Jordan, did we miss 18K Bitcoin October? 18K Bitcoin October? Man, interesting. The right move was to sell your Bitcoin and buy a house in 2021. No crap, man. I love the people that come in here every day. It cracks me up. They come in here every day and they go, I told you to sell right at 69K. I told you that was the top. You're idiots. I told you that was the top. I was spamming it in the chat consistently. 69K was the top. I've been telling you guys this for months, and you didn't listen to me, and you held your whole way down. You held the whole way down. The whole way. You guys are idiots. Thanks, Captain Obvious. I love people who come in here after a fact and like act like they're the smartest people on earth in hindsight. Whereas if Bitcoin did go higher, they wouldn't be talking crap. But of course, it comes down, they talk crap, and they're not even telling the truth. They're also lying. I guarantee you, a lot of these people that say they sold at 69K are lying and did not actually sell at 69K. They just want to sound smart in the chat. It's as simple as that. They didn't actually sell at 69K. Let's be honest here. Let's be honest. You did not sell at 69K. I will guarantee you did not sell your Bitcoin at 69K. Right? This was you when we were... I will tell you right now, this was you. For everyone that always says, oh, I sold my Bitcoin at 69K. No. This was you at 69K. I guarantee it. Strap up. We're going to the moon, guys. 100K. Guys, we are going to 100K. This is awesome. This is why we all got into crypto. Strap up. We're all going to the moon. I told you guys. Let's go. Yeah. Let's go. Woohoo! I told you guys to sell at 69K. I told you to sell at 69K. I told you the whole time. I told you guys. Listen, man. You guys are so full of crap, man. You guys are absolutely so full of crap. I guarantee you none of you suckers sold at 69K. Guarantee it. You guys are such full of crap, man. You guys were moon boys with everyone else. Let's be honest. My ears are bleeding. I did sell at 69K. I guarantee you didn't. I guarantee you. You're a moon boy just like everyone else. All right. Let's see. BTRST. Jordan is high on sugar. Jordan, woohoo. The hat makes more Jimmy's face shadow like an alley predator. Oh, man. All right. Total market cap. Interesting enough, did come back down in wick to, right to that $1.52 trillion level, which we kind of have this, green box support here, which there's our previous highs. It's actually better on the daily chart if we look at it this way. Our previous highs from back in June and July, and obviously our previous support back in August, trying to act as support right now. You're trying to get a nice bounce off that. It's not actually too shabby a bounce. It looks a little better than Bitcoin start, to be honest. But will that level hold? If it doesn't, you're probably coming back down to 1.18 trillion or so level, if that doesn't hold. But right now, I mean, we're sitting kind of just in between a rock and a hard place, right? Our previous supports and our previous, well, I guess our previous resistance levels. So we're sitting between a rock and a hard place for total market cap. What will happen next? Well, gotta wait next week. We gotta wait till next week. Right now, we're right in the middle of the range. Jordan will be a cool dad, honestly. Listen, man. Will I ever be it? I guess you can never say never. But will I ever be a dad? That's the question. That is the question, man. But I would be the coolest dad ever. I would be the coolest dad ever. Listen. I am. Listen, maybe I'm not cool. Maybe you guys wouldn't think I'm cool, right? Everyone has different definitions of cool. Okay, but what I will say is, Jordan, you need kids, bro? No. J. Laura says it takes a woman to make a dad. Okay. Yeah, girls don't like me, bro. Girls don't like me, man. You guys ever watched this stream and seen any girls like me?
Nope.
They don't like me, man. They don't. You will be? He's too old. I don't know if I could get anything out here, right? Drew said you're our daddy. Oh God. Oh God. Yes, I am your daddy. Your daddy. I'm your daddy. You are funny. DJ said I know one. Facts. I don't think she's in here tonight. I don't know what she's doing. I do know what she's doing. You're tolerable? Thank you, Denise. Thank you, Denise. See, Denise at least thinks I'm tolerable, so I'll take this. Hanneman said you single? No. No. I guess I haven't really told you guys yet. I haven't told you guys yet. Alright, anyways. I didn't have anything on this chart. I think I did. And TradingView, let me rant again, guys. TradingView sucks.
Rant alert.
What's with everything in crypto? Okay? What's with everything in crypto? Break it, right? We got TradingView sucks. It refreshes all my pages for no reason. Okay? Refreshes all my pages for no reason. And CoinMarketCap freaking sucks. CoinMarketCap freaking sucks. You refresh. I mean, look at CoinMarketCap. Look at CoinMarketCap. It still does it to this day. You refresh, it sorts the whole thing. Chickenzilla comes up number one, man. Chickenzilla. Now, I like some chicken. I love some chicken. Let me tell you, I love some chicken, but I will nail a piece of chicken. But I don't want to see Chickenzilla when I sort by 24%. I want to see the top 100. I don't want to see Chickenzilla pump ETH. Look at pump ETH. Bro, look at pump ETH right now. That's nuts. Pump ETH is going off. Son of baby Doge? How can you be a son? How can you be a son of baby Doge? Where do they come up with this stuff? How do they come up with this stuff? Son of baby Doge? Oh, man, jeez, man. You can't come up with son. You can't come up with this stuff, man. Next, it's going to be son of baby Doge. Or it's going to be cousin of son of baby Doge. Or it's going to be wife of son of baby Doge. Mark said, girls really don't like you. My female Labradoodle growls when I turn your stream on. Dunno, man. Listen, Labradoodles like me, man. I know a few Labradoodle dogs. I know a few Labradoodle dogs, and they all love me. They all love me. They won't leave my side. Let me tell you. They really don't. All right. So, going on to Bitcoin dominance. 41% on dominance. Trying to still another day, another same thing. I mean, another 41% on the dominance. We still really not making any headway here. Slowly but surely making its way up, but nothing too definitive. Still at that triple bottom. Is it going to result in an upside move? We're still waiting. We're still waiting. I know a lot of people think an altcoin season's coming. There's a lot of people out there. Do you guys think that an altcoin season is coming within the next, well, let's say this. You guys think an altcoin season is coming within the next 30 days? Let me know. Altcoin season within the next 30 days. Let me know in the chat. Let me know in the chat. I know a lot of people think that. Where's my tea? Metallic clapping. I got you, man. Here we go. Happy and clapping. Jordan is the best. Jordan's the best. Jordan's the best.
Happy and clapping. Vitalik is impressed. Vitalik clapping, 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 clapping. Vitalik clapping, 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 clapping.
Bitcoin's coming back down to backtest this triangle. So we'll see if all the YouTube traders are correct. We'll see if all the YouTube traders are correct today. Testing 35.9. If this, listen, this is. I just have so much deja vu lately. I sit here and I just have so much deja vu. I'm looking at this and I'm like, this is gonna dump right back down, bro. I have so much. I don't know if deja vu is the right word. Maybe PTSD is the right word. I'm just seeing badunk, 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 badunk. I can like see it in the chart. Can't you guys see it? Can't you see the fake out and the I can see it. I can like visualize it right now. But you know, we'll obviously see if it happens here. Pump for ants. Yeah, maybe we get the pump for ants here. The pump for ants. Obviously, we can't really comment on the S&P. I was told that the futures for the S&P is. I can see that the PTSD or depressed, said Denise. Listen, Denise, I'm good. I'm good. You know what it is? You know what it is? Here's the thing. I guess here's how I should subscribe the way I feel. At least in crypto, right? At least in crypto right now. Here's how I feel. I'm sort of stuck between a rock and a hard place because I still see all the bulls, the hardcore bulls, still pushing like these annoying fractals that like piss me off on Twitter, and they shouldn't. They shouldn't piss me off. They shouldn't piss me off, but they kind of do. And then the other flip side, I don't want to be a bear because I don't like bears. I don't like bears. I want to I want to kick them all in the balls. You guys know I want to kick all the bears in the balls. Every single one of them. Okay? And all I want to do is go on stream and shake it, 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 shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. This is all I want to do. This is awesome. I love this. Sometimes I just pull this up because it makes I like it. You can't look at this and be mad. You can't look at this and be mad. Shake it, shake it, shake it. This is all I want to do. You know, and I guess I'm kind of stuck between a rock and a hard place, I guess. You know what I mean? That's the way I kind of feel right now, I guess. But I still do want to kick all the bears in the balls, guys. Don't worry. I still do. I still do. Kick them in the balls. Let's see. I'm going to train. Wait, what? It's so naughty. So naughty. So naughty. All right. So, what else do I want to check out? I guess we could try to check out some altcoins here. Real quick, let me check what you guys said in here. Let's see. Thoughts on the pi cycle top indicator? Been a while since anyone has brought it up. Love the comedy in TA. Let's hear some Vitalik clapping. Thank you, dude. Pi cycle top. I actually was looking at that earlier. I have it up over here. Holy! I'm blind again. I'm literally blind. Pi cycle top. Let's see, man. Well, I remember back in the pi cycle top has actually been pretty accurate. I do have to say, like the pi cycle top for a top indicator has been absolutely phenomenal. I will have to give the pi cycle top a praise here. I used to before it happened back up here again. I was sort of giving him a hard time. Now here's the thing. A lot of people think if we actually just zoom in here, obviously if you guys don't know what this is, every single time that these moving averages cross, that marks typically at least within a few days the top of BTC, right? Obviously happened twice in 2013. It happened in 2017. They crossed up here in right here in April. And then, obviously, we haven't happened to happen yet. A lot of people are saying this, right? Let me just zoom in here a little bit. Oh! Not like that. Not like that. Turn the light off. If we zoom in here, I mean, we haven't gotten the cross just yet, right? So, you know, a lot of people will say that, you know, we can just go back over here. A lot of people will say that this bounce that we got, in hindsight, you know, shouldn't have got up shouldn't have made a higher high and should have made a lower high. This is what I've heard from people that, you know, usually follow the pi cycle top, is we shouldn't have gone up this high. In theory, we should have just gone up like this probably should have been the top in hindsight or something, and we should have came back down, and then the pi cycle top would have been accurate. But since we made a higher high, right? I mean, typically that does mark the tops. It's actually kind of insane how that's marked the top every single time. So obviously, will that mean that we continue up till we have to get the cross to make a high again? I would argue, yeah, but I would also argue that it doesn't have to happen right now. It could happen anytime, really anytime. It doesn't have to happen right now. Matt Beal said it was created after the fact to fit previous tops. Only one it was called was May. Still though, for it to call the exact top again, I mean that's pretty insane. I used to be a hater on it. I'm not a hater. If things can prove to me that they're reliable and true, I'm not going to be a hater on it anymore, right? I usually only hate on stuff that hasn't proven to me that it works. And the pi cycle top, I do have to admit, did work in May, right? We can't say that it didn't, right? You can't. I guess you can't really hate on it. It timed the exact top in May, even after it was made. Even after it was made. Let's see. Zoofer said, "Why would any YouTube streamer be using light mode for any site?" Well, you know what, Zoofer? There's no dark mode on that damn site, bro. That's why, bro. Captain Obvious here. Why would anyone be using light mode? Why would anybody using light mode on their stream? That's ridiculous, bro. That's ridiculous. You made us all blind. We can never watch your stream again. There goes all your viewers, bro. All your viewers. Because you didn't turn on dark mode on a site that you only use every on occasion. It's ridiculous, man. No crap, man. You think I want to be blind too? I don't want to be blind. I'm blind. We're all blind. All right. Solana is down 2% right now and up 10,000% on the year. Rip Sol. Yeah, Sol has been getting crushed. Sol's been getting crushed. What else are you guys saying here? Korean and Japan market already traded and in red. Great. That's exactly what I wanted to hear, man. My eyes. Jordan, give us hopium. Listen, guys, we're actually more so talking about short-term stuff here. Nothing has changed in the grand scheme of things, guys. Nothing has changed in the grand scheme of things. The only thing we're getting right now, not to sound cliche, is we're getting prices that we never thought that a lot of us never thought we'd see again. Okay. And the question is, are you gonna take advantage, or are you gonna? I'll do another rant that I did the other day.
Rant alert.
We're getting prices that we never thought we'd see again. Are you going to be the one that takes advantage, or are you going to be the, how do I say this PG? Are you going to be the C that doesn't take advantage, just like you did in the summer down here, and just like you did in the previous bear market? Will you have the balls to take advantage? Or are you going to continuously sit on the sidelines waiting for lower, 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 right? To the point where your sentiment is so bad that you think Bitcoin's a scam, and then Bitcoin reverses back up, and you're in disbelief the whole way up until Bitcoin breaks all-time highs, and that's when you FOMO in, when you see Floki Inu up 10,000%. You know what? I think most of you guys are going to do that, right? Say even if Bitcoin does go lower, say if Bitcoin does this, worst case. Let's say Bitcoin does this. I'll wait till lower. I'll wait till lower. I'll wait till lower. Bitcoin's a scam. Bitcoin's a scam. I'll wait till lower. I'll wait till lower. And let's say Bitcoin bounces off 20K, right? Just for hypothetical, okay? Just for hypothetical. You're not going to have the balls to buy all the way down, right? You're not going to do it, right? If everyone had the balls to do that, everyone would make money in this market. But most people don't have the balls to do that, right? You wait for some type of confirmation. So say if Bitcoin comes down to 20K, let's say it goes sideways for a few months. Let's just do one of the worst case scenarios. Let's just say this, and then it starts coming back up. This is a relief rally, relief rally, relief rally, relief rally, relief rally, relief rally. It's not going back up. I told you it's a relief rally. I told you, I told you, I told you. Oh no, we're just going up a little bit more. We're just going up a little bit more. We're just going up a little bit more. Oh, don't worry guys. We're just going up a little bit more. Oh wait, maybe this is real. Maybe this is real. Oh, Floki Inu. Oh, Floki Inu's up 10,000%. I'm gonna FOMO. I'm gonna FOMO in. Floki Inu. Floki Inu. I'm gonna FOMO in. Oh wait, everything's dumping again. No. I'm gonna panic sell. There goes 50% of my portfolio. Oh no. Floki Inu's going back up. Oh, I gotta FOMO in again. Oh no. That's gonna be 90% of the people in here. Okay, and you might be saying that's not true. That's not true. It won't be 90% of the people in here. I guarantee you right now, it'll be 90% of the people in here. Guaranteed. Okay, guaranteed. That'll be 90% of the people in here. Okay, I'm just saying it right now. I am saying it right now. You don't believe it now. You might be thinking in your head, oh, I won't do that. I'll buy when it's low. I'll buy when it's low. No, you won't buy when it's low, because if you just won't. I'm telling you right now, you might think that you will, but you won't. Okay, you won't. I'm telling you. You'll FOMO back in when you see all the meme coins popping off, and you'll go, oh, the next Shiba. Floki Inu will be at top 10 market cap. You'll be, oh, the next Shiba. It's going to do another 100x from here, not understanding how market cap works, and then you'll FOMO in.
Rant alert.
Rinse and repeat and repeat and repeat. This has been going on for 12 years. This same cycle has been going on for 10, 12 years. Okay? Retail leaves, sells, doesn't have the balls to buy back, gets to all-time highs, you buy back in, Bitcoin falls, you sell again, Bitcoin's a scam, goes back up, you buy back in, rinse and repeat and repeat and repeat. Let me tell you right now, I'm going to have the balls to buy this whole range no matter where Bitcoin goes in the short term. And guess what? I'll have the last laugh. All the bears, all the people that are scared, okay? All the people that are scared might be able to laugh for, I don't know, a few months. Let's even say they laugh at me for a few years. Guess what? They won't be laughing at me when they're sleeping outside in a cardboard box, okay? Telling you right now. I'm telling you right now. They won't be laughing. I'll have the last laugh. They won't. Okay? I'm telling you right now. So if you guys want to laugh now, go right ahead. Go right ahead. Sounds exactly like it did down here. Exactly like it did down here. There we go. Is he trolling? He trolling good today? I'm not trolling, man. I'm spitting facts. I'm telling you exactly how this is going to play out. Just like it plays out every time we get these dips. Every single time. Every single time. Leave my box out of here, bro. Facts. Sarush say, what's up? What did I miss? Shane said, Jordan just said 90% of us will live in a box. Oh, Oh man, bro. Not, 90% of you guys will live in a box. Well, listen. You know who the 10% of you guys are, so don't be that 90%, man. Don't be that 90%. I'm not saying go all in right now. I'm telling you guys right now, do not go all in on any fiat that you have right now, all right? As low as Bitcoin goes, scale in. Do not go all in, though. Don't go all in, man. Never go all in. Because then you're going to be, then you're just going to miss out opportunities. Yeah, Bitcoin can reverse from here and you miss out the opportunity, but it's better than going all in here than Bitcoin, dropping to 20K or something, right? Always have extra cash on the sidelines. Cardboard box for sale. Oh, man. In a dumpster, said Mike. That's funny. What if I'm already living in one? How you getting Wi-Fi, man? How you getting Wi-Fi right now? Let me know. Let me know. Oh, man. That was a good rant. That was a good rant, bro. It's true, though. It's true. I mean, I don't want to be the person that, I guess I like being that person. And that was supposed to be hopium, guys. That was supposed to be hopium, okay? And not just like hopium that's not true. That's supposed to be hopium that's true, right? It's the people that have the balls to buy down here, okay? And buy the fear when everyone's flipping out, okay? For short-term price action. Everyone's flipping out. Yeah, I'm bearish right now. I'm still accumulating the altcoins that I want, though. I'm still accumulating altcoins right now. But while everyone's panicking, you guys should be buying down here. And it's the people that buy down here that will be the people that have the last laugh. And all the people that are trolling on Twitter saying Bitcoin's a scam, they'll be salty when the Bitcoin price goes up next time, too. And then Bitcoin will go down again. They'll say Bitcoin's a scam again. They'll have a laugh for a little bit. And guess what? The people that buy the dip again, oh, yeah, they'll have the last laugh again. And it's just a constant repeat over and over and over again. Anyways, we'll look at some altcoins here. Anderson said, Michael said, I'm drunk. We're all drunk. I'm not drunk right now, man. I'm actually, I got my classic chocolate peanut butter shake, protein shake, and I got my tea. I'm double fisted, but I'm not double fisting the cores today. No double fisting the cores. No double fisting the Stellas. We ain't double fisting nothing besides tea and protein shake tonight. That's it. Man, it's a good combo too. It's a good combo. You ever gone to one of those, real quick guys, you ever gone to one of those like little protein shake places? They're really good. And they usually actually do this. They actually usually give you like a little bit like a tea with the protein shake. So you might be saying that's a really weird. I can't afford alcohol, said Matt. It might seem like a really weird combo. Don't hate on it if you haven't already. Try a protein shake with tea. Great combo. I thought it was weird too. It is really good. It is really good. Let me tell you. Who can ship flour to me? It's flour. Triple fist if you include the include the rubber one under your bed. The rubber one. I'm confused. DJ, I don't get that joke, man. I don't get that joke. I usually get your jokes, but I don't get that one. Just being real here. Proud Gun Owner said, check Adam. It needs to moon when Bitcoin finally goes up. What's up, Proud Gunner? We can check Adam. We'll check a few alts here. I mean, like I've been saying, guys, alts are alts. Alts are alts right now, and I think you guys know that. I had a big rant about altcoins yesterday. Adam's looking pretty. It's on the hourly. Yeah, I mean, Adam on the daily still looks really strong. Like, comparative to everything else, Adam looks like a beast. Like an absolute beast. Why you guys all asking me to see my abs, bro? Listen, I'll show you my abs when they are at the point where I want them to be. And they will be at the point where I want them to be in a few months. Okay? I just have to stop eating so much chicken tikka. If I keep eating so much chicken tikka, these things are never going to come in, okay? They'll be here in a few months. I'll show you guys, though, all right? I'll show you my progress. I'll show you a before and after picture where I used to look like Jabba. I used to look like Jabba, and I'll show you an after picture, okay? In a few months. But no, Adam's holding up extremely strong, man. It's killing it. It's actually killing it. I mean, it's how far is Adam down from its highs? I mean, Adam's only 20% down from its highs. Absolutely crushing it. Absolutely crushing it. So, you know, listen, I mean, you had this range that we were watching here between the 786 and the previous highs. You got a nice bounce off the previous 786 fib, which is beautiful. So that's trying to move back up here. We can zoom in a little bit, see what's going down. Jerome said, I never want to see that. Jerome, you want to see it, bro. You want to see it. Jordan's dating an Indian girl. Listen. I would love to have like an Indian cook, like an Indian cook. Doesn't have to be a chick, but like someone that could just listen. If anyone's out there, I will pay you $50. I don't know how much it costs for people to have a cook. I will pay you $50 to make me. Actually, I won't do that. That's. I could just get it from the store. I was gonna say I'll pay you $50 to make me dinner every night. That doesn't make sense. I would pay. I could just go to the damn store. Why would I do that? Actually, that's dumb. That's literally dumb. I guess I would pay you $50 to make me food every meal, but it has to be a gourmet meal. You can't be cooking me. You can't be cooking me cereal. Okay, you can't be cooking me anything. All right. Shane said wife cook, same thing. That's true. So sexist. That's why I said it doesn't have to be a chick. I guess wife. I guess you could have a wife that does that too. That would work. 140 an hour? What the? 140 an hour? Screw that. I'd rather just do it myself then. 140 an hour. I'm way too. I guess I'm too frugal for that, man. 140 an hour. That's ridiculous. I always cook my cereal. No, but Adam on the short-term time frames looks good too. Let's actually bring up the RSI here on Adam. Bro. Oh, man. Let's see. Raw cereal for Jordan. You guys are killing me today. But lower high, higher high, right? Lower high, higher high on the hourly, which is great. Lower high, higher high. So you got some bearish div. You got some very, very bearish div on at least on the hourly time frame. So keep that in mind. You know, so if Bitcoin gets a little bit of a move down, you might see Adam with a slight move down here. Nothing crazy. It's just the hourly time frame. But you know, at least on the hourly, could be seeing a quick, maybe a quick little doozy to the downside, as we would say. A doozy to the downside. 4 hour, coming up to the 4 hour EMA ribbon. So I mean, yeah, this you might have a little bit of a tough cookie to break here up front. Maybe get a slight pullback before a continuation. Obviously, a lot of alts are going to depend on BTC, man. You know, but I would say that Adam, from a structure standpoint, still, I mean, what looks one of the best. It looks one of the best. I mean, even since Bitcoin's been absolutely crap in the bed, like Jabba would say, crap in it. $50 a day ain't bad, paid in BTC. Listen, I think I would cook for someone for $50 if I had to cook one meal. Maybe not the whole day. I probably wouldn't do it the whole day for $50. But if it was one meal for $50, I might do that. Screw it. Why not? Dale said, did we pump yet? Nope. We did not pump yet, Dale. We didn't do it. Any other alts really doing much? Not really, man. Not really. Soul's hurting the soul, man. Soul down another 7% today. Soul's getting crushed right now. Okay? Soul is getting absolutely crushed. The Hun said, I got kicked out of the chat for saying Bitcoin might go down to 29K tomorrow morning. Listen, man. I a lot of times I don't know what goes down in here. I apologize, man. But something tells me maybe that's not all you said. Maybe something tells me that's not all you said. Just saying, man. You probably said something else too. Denise. Denise, what are you talking about? I guess this is where young men come to bitch about their inability to please a woman. Hey, listen, man. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know how to please women either, man. I have no idea how to please a woman. Okay? No idea. I have no idea how to please a woman. Can you guys help me? Denise, can you help me? Tell me how. Tell me how to please a woman. Oh, man. Oh, I thought you liked to cook it with someone else. I do. I do. There's only one person I like to... Well, I guess to say that was I would cook chicken tikka with anyone, but there's one person that I would want to do it with than anyone else, I would say. Denise... Oh, man. You don't even need the thrust if you know what you're doing. You don't even know you thrust. Tell me how to please a woman. Please. I would love to know. God. I'm just asking for a friend. But yeah. This ain't the Sim channel. All right, yeah, but Soul's getting crushed. I mean, coming back down to the 618, the 618 here. Actually, this is all kind of jacked up. Hold up, this is all kind of jacked up. Oh man, this is all kind of jacked up. Hold up. There we go. But yeah. You broke back below the 618. I mean, we've kind of been talking about the 786 for Solana, man. The 786 for Solana. So the $70 level, all right, $70 level is where we've been saying Solana might be going to, right? We might be going down there. So keep that in mind. You know, we've been saying that most altcoins will probably at least test the 786. Switch swoop. Switch DJ. DJ, man. I haven't done that in a while. Yeah, 70 bucks is probably where you're coming for Solana. We kind of said that the daily RSI is oversold for a lot of these alts, and kind of like how we said with Bitcoin, like at some point you kind of just gone straight down. I mean, you've had little rallies to the upside, nothing like not a big relief rally though. At some point, I am expecting some point of at least a relief rally, right? Maybe not all-time highs right now, but at least a relief rally to the upside, at least at some point soon here, right? I mean. Nothing goes down in a straight line. And all we've seen is straight line, straight line, straight line, straight line, straight line. All right? That's all we've seen consistently. So, same thing with Solana, as we would say with Bitcoin. I mean, at some point, you got to need something. Switch to BTC chart here. Bitcoin's doing nothing. It's doing nothing at the moment, man. Waterfly said, so you're spoken for, boss? I am. You staked your soul? Yes, I never thought I would say this. Guys, I never thought I would say this. I am spoken for at the moment, man. I never thought I would say this. Going a couple of months ago, I was like, nope. Never would do that. Never would do that. Ever. But yeah. At the moment, I am. Feel bad for James. He's probably doing just fine. Oh, James? Oh, dude, I heard about that. He got, Wait, what happened with... No, not James. It's not Invest Answers. The other guy. Didn't the other guy put up his Bitcoin as collateral? Didn't the other guy put up his Bitcoin as collateral and he got put up as collateral, and then he got, what's it called? Margin called? One of them? You know what I mean? Didn't one of them? And I know I know a bunch of YouTubers got hacked today. Did they get their accounts back? Did they get their accounts back? Total simp. You guys are too funny, bro. You guys are too funny. Listen. We're not gonna get into that here, okay? We're not gonna get into that. You guys know how if you any of you guys that watch my channel throughout the summertime, you know, okay, that how I roll, okay? You know how I roll here. So we're not gonna get into that right now. Who's the I know who got porked. Who got porked? Let's go. Who got porked? Crypto Banter got porked, right? Did BitBoy get porked? So a couple of them got porked, or hacked, I should say. Porked, I guess, isn't the right word. Man, Bitcoin's dumping. It's not really dumping. We're sort of still trying to back test, right? We're still trying to back test this triangle. If this breaks, yeah, I mean, we're going back into Goblin Town, right? We're straight back into Goblin Town. So, you know, like I said, I can almost see this just going. Hasn't happened yet, though. Has not happened yet, guys. I'll say that. Mohammed, what a name, man. I like it. Can you please check out BTRST? Wait, BTRST? What does that even mean? BTRST. Let's see. BTRST. Oh! Me majoli. There you go, man. Holy majoli. Absolutely wrecked. Let me know if you bought this at $40. If you bought this at $40, let me know. Let me know if you bought this at $40. If you did, I am very, very sorry, man. I'm very, very sorry. This is something Bob would be like, oh my, holy crap. This looks so good. I love this. I love this. Holy moly. Oh no, it has no zeros. It has no zeros. Never mind. No zeros, guys. No zeros. CH, this looks like a future Bitcoin chart. Yeah. I mean, I would say, at least in the short term, I mean, this might get some type of upside in the short term just because it's already bled. This thing's bled like a horse. This thing's bled like a horse, and that, you know, maybe raced for a little bit too long and, you know, maybe cut off its hoof. I don't know where I'm going with this. Maybe a horse that cut off its hoof. But yeah, I mean, you're trying to let it move back up, but am I convinced it's going to continue? No, not at all. And I would say that this already has some bearish dip, right? I mean, this has lower highs and it has higher lows. So I would argue that this already has bearish div, and this could move right back to the downside. You know what I mean? So just be careful with this. If Bitcoin dumps again, RIP, 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 yeah, RIP, RIP. This thing's coming lower. It's coming a lot lower. Very much lower. Very much. Shane, stop taking your hat off, Jordan. It's like having night mode off. Listen, it really is. It's shiny today. My head is shiny today. Also, I have hat hair, so it's all kind of jacked up. But yeah, look at that. It's all kind of shiny today. Holy majoli. This was a porkin' good day, said Keith. Nice, man. I'm glad you had a good day. It was a good Sunday for me, too. Very good Sunday for me. Very, very good Sunday. What'd you guys do today? What'd you guys do this Sunday? Besides look at the charts. You guys will probably say look at crypto. You guys are going to burn yourselves out, guys. What did you do besides look at crypto today? Let me know. Let me know in the chat. I went to the gym again this morning, and then I went to see my my grandma, and then I came home, cooked some food, did some laundry, did a little packing again. I got to pack again, and then I hopped on here, man. I made my shake. Oh, can't forget my shake. You have a Ben hairstyle today? I really do. Really do. Dale said charts. Dale's always looking at charts. All right, what else can we look at? Shib. I'm a Sheber. Can't believe I'm a Sheber, guys. Doge. I mean, I'm not too worried about Shib and Doge. ETH still looks the same, man. I mean, ETH still between a rock and a hard place. The Ethereum chart looks, I mean, just almost exactly the same as the total market cap chart, right? Where you have the total market cap chart, where you're still above your kind of July bounce highs, right? Your little dead cat bounce highs, and below your September lows. So it just almost looks exactly like the exactly like the total market cap charts for the most part. You know what I mean? Still celebrating the Niners win, dude. That game was legit, bro. I watched the highlights on that. That game was legit. Okay, absolutely legit. The Packers, and this is why. I mean, shout out to Tom Brady, man. This is why, guys. This is just another reason why. Okay, I don't know. This is why you can't compare, once again, guys, you can't compare Tom Brady to Aaron Rodgers. You cannot do that. And if you do that, I cannot respect your sports opinion. Okay? Rodgers, with arguably the best roster in football this year, lost to the 49ers. Okay? They put up 10 points. And this happens every time. Rodgers chokes every time in the playoffs. Every single time in the playoffs, Rodgers chokes every single time. This is why it's not even a debate. Not even a debate. Okay? I will say it again. It's not even a debate. Don't tell me it's even a debate. I will fight you. I will fight you if you think that's a debate. Seriously. You're embarrassing yourself? No, I'm not. It's facts. It's absolutely facts. Let's see. Rodgers choked every single time. He underperforms in the playoffs every single time. He's only made one Super Bowl his whole career. That's a joke. An absolute joke. Absolute joke. Closing time. You're talking about football. Listen, the close already happened a while ago. It already opened a while ago, man. But yeah. Rodgers might be going to Pittsburgh. But yeah, like I said, Ethereum's just stuck between a rock and a hard place. I mean, same thing as every alt. Daily's oversold. And you're sort of trying to figure out, you know, is this going to be the range where you got to get that bounce to the upside that we're waiting for, right? Because we're all waiting for that bounce back to the upside for every coin here. So, and all the charts look the same, right? They're all going to have daily RSIs that are oversold. They're all going to be at important supports, right? And they're all going to be, you know, I don't think ETH is at its 786. I think it is at its 786. Yeah, ETH is at its 786 too. So, I mean, like we always said, guys, if there's any point of a possible reversal point for Ethereum, this would be it. Okay, this would be it. Right here. Right here. This would be it. So 786, previous July highs, daily RSI oversold. Not going to say it's going to bounce from this area, but if there was a point where this would bounce, they would be here. So we gotta wait to see if we can get any upwards movement. And going into next week, you know, some good news could be a catalyst for both Bitcoin, both Ethereum, and altcoins, right? Could be a very, very big catalyst week overall for our good friends around the cryptoverse. Let's see. Bada bing, bada boom. Let's see. Everyone's getting mad over Rogers, man. What's the fear index? It's a good question, man. 13. Somehow we went higher today. Oh, we got Best Buy. Shout out to Best Buy, guys. Best Buy is the best store there is. I love Best Buy. You might be saying, Jordan, they overprice everything. Maybe they do, but they have everything I want there. My favorite store. I am a nerd, and I am a nerd at heart. I will always be a nerd. And I love Best Buy because they have all the electronics I ever need there. You might be saying, Jordan, just buy them online. Well, you know what? If I don't want to wait for something, I go to Best Buy. There you go. But yeah, we're at 13. I'm surprised we're actually higher than we were yesterday. I'm actually shocked. I'm shocked that we're not lower than we are right now. I'm going to be perfectly honest. Even though you can't really get much lower. Right? We've only been lower a few times in the past. But yeah, the fear and greed is at 13. People are still crapping their pants left and right. People are holding heavy, heavy pants right now. Heavy, heavy pants. Very heavy pants. Start your new career with Big Mac. Facts. Look it up your damn self, said Mike. Thanks, Mike. He said, look it up. He said, what's the fear and greed index? Look it up your damn self. That's funny. I think I reverse FOMO. Each time it dips, I'm buying. There you go, Chris. That's the right attitude to have, brother. The people that buy the dips will be the people that laugh at the end. Right? I mean, listen, it all depends on what your definition of the end is, right? I mean, like, people, I will say this. I mean, I'm just kind of pointing this out. Like, it all depends on what your definition of the end is, right? I mean, the people that bought down here, right, can already kind of say that they're at the end, even though you're technically not at the end. But the people that bought down there can already say at their end. Someday, right, the people that buy right here, anywhere in this range, wherever it goes, I don't know, whenever it goes back up in the future, people will say, you know, they'll say they're at the end, okay? And it's just, you know, all the salty people are the people that buy here. People that buy here. The salty people are the people that buy right here. Okay? And it's just rinse, repeat, where the money goes from the salty people to the smart people. The salty people to the smart people. Right? The salty people to the smart people. Right? It's just a constant, I guess, value of exchange there, based on what we've seen in the past, or a transfer of exchange, I would say. George is strapped on. Nice. You guys are funny, man. You guys are funny. You guys saying it here. Throw some Pampers on the lawn. He always says, he who laughs last. He always says, he who laughs last. Wait, what? Layer 2, I can't say that, man. That's too many L's. Too many L's for me, man. Let's see. Do you buy the dip? Buy the dip. Buy the dip. We all buy the dip. You got no more fiat, Mr. Hart? Then just chill. Chill out, bro. Chill out. That makes it even less stressful for you. So now you're not even trying to time the bottom. If you got no more fiat, guys.
Rant alert.
If you got no more fiat, then that makes it even, you're chilling then. You're absolutely chilling, because that means you don't even have to worry about where you should be buying. You should just be chilling. All right? Grabbing a margarita, sitting on the beach and just going, waiting for the inevitable move back up, whenever it comes. That makes it even better. Does my girl invest in crypto? She does. You guys keep asking that question. She does, and then does another person asked, does he trade or hodl? Hodl. I don't date traders, man. I don't date traders. I will never date a trader. They're too wild for me. Too wild. What are you guys saying in here? Just subscribe. Thank you, Hannah King. Appreciate you subscribing, Hannah. Anonymous said, have you heard about Anin token? Google it. I'm not gonna Google. I'll look it on CoinMarketCap. We'll see if it's on CoinMarketCap, man. Let's see. Anin. I don't know, why am I saying Anin token? I'm not gonna look that up on Google. Listen, anytime everyone ever tells me to look something up on Google, I will not look it up on Google, because I know I'm going to pull it up and it's going to be like, you know, I'm going to pull it up and I already know what's going to happen. It's going to go, and then you're going to see them going. So I will refuse to look anything up on Google. I will refuse to click on any link on stream because, listen, I don't trust anyone. I don't trust any of you guys. Even the people that have been watching me forever. I don't trust any of your links. I don't trust any of your websites you tell me to go to. All right? Because I know you guys are trolls at heart. And you're going to tell me to go on some website. And it's going to redirect me to the hub. Okay? I already know what's happening. Let's see. Traders have more fun? I guess. Do you listen to watch any podcasts? I listen to a bunch of podcasts. Yeah, I listen to what's it called? The Roommates podcast. Listen to some other podcasts too. Well, I listen to a bunch of podcasts. I'll leave it that way. I'll leave it that way. Let's see it. No. You guys and Wendy, bro. Wendy-o. The hub. To the hub we go. You guys don't know what the hub means? How do you not know what the hub means? What's up, Crunk? He's always coming in here and saying legends. Ah, man. No wedge? No, there's no wedge right now. Listen, you know me. I would try to find any way to find some type of wedge formation on Bitcoin. But there is no, zero, absolutely zero wedge formation on Bitcoin right now. There's zero wedge. I mean, I guess if you want to get deep and dirty here, something like this. But is this hopium, guys? Is this hopium? Like, listen, I am all for hopium, but is this wedge right here hopium, or is this legit? You know what I mean? Like, I guess I can see what you're talking about, and I can understand it. Is this hopium or is this legit? Like, I don't know. I guess we have to wait and see. It's a big wedge. Might be a little bit of hopium here. You gotta go, Mayor. All right, see you, man. This might be a little bit of hopium. I don't know. Might be a little bit of a Jimmy formation. A giant M pattern. Hopium. I hope Joe Rogan goes all in on crypto and metaverse. He still seems skeptical, though. True. Very true. Mr. Hart said hopium. Yeah, I probably would tend to agree. It's probably a little bit of hopium. It's probably a little bit of hopium. That's legit. It's legit opium. I guess we could keep it up. We'll see if it works. But I think it's probably a little bit of hopium. Just because, I mean, if you had like a dip down here and maybe you had one more touch coming down here like this, it'd probably be a little legit. It's just this trend line right here is a little bit, it's a little bit skeptical because you really only, like this isn't really a touch. You really only have 1, 2 touches, right? So you're sort of just making up of a support line. But like I said, if you had one more touch on the bottom side, like if Bitcoin does something like this, where it goes dupe, dupe, bounces again, then maybe you might have a case because then maybe you have 3 touches. But right now that might be probably a slight hopium, I would say. Definitely slight hopium. What makes a wedge legit? I would probably wait for at least, I like to, for any pattern, I like to wait for 3 touches on both sides because 2 touches you're sort of just making up a support line for the most part. Like this isn't really a touch. I mean, it's sort of just a red candle that happened to be right there in the line, right? We just have to hope that the Moon Boy longs from 29K take their profits and the YOLO shorts pile up for a squeeze. Yeah, man. The YOLO shorts. Where's all my shorts at, man? Who's short Bitcoin right now? Let me know in the chat. Let me know in the chat if you guys have a short position on Bitcoin open right now. Let's see what this poll said. Will Bitcoin have a green or red week this week? You guys said 54% green. So everyone's bullish all of a sudden now. Everyone's all of a sudden bullish. What the heck? Yesterday everyone was pooping their pants. Today's everyone bullish. It's crazy what a day does, man. Everyone was pooping their pants yesterday. And now everyone's Jimmy all of a sudden. It's crazy, man. Which I would love a green week. Give me a green week. I would love a green week. Trust me. I would not be looking to do that. DJ said I'm going to look for a movie to watch. Later, DJ. I'm probably going to call a stream pretty soon here too. Just because there's not really much going on, guys. It's sort of a slow day. Slow day here. A slow day. Closed it yesterday. I'm shorting 100x. God. Short term. I short everything. Not still short. Some people got some shorts, I guess. Not too many shorts. Definitely not too many shorts, I'd say. All right, guys. I got some crap to do here. I got some crap to do. So I'm going to call it a stream here because there's really not much going on. All right, LB wants to look at Dot. We'll look at Dot, and then I'll call it a stream. There's really not much going on. Dot. Papa Bear's going to watch Goodwill Hunting. Okay. Dots. So Dot, real quick, I think we were looking for the 786 retracement on Dot, and we broke the 786 retracement on Dot. So now we're just really looking at these previous highs. It's really, like we kind of said yesterday, it's really just a range between, it's really a range like right here that you're looking for to hold for Dot. If that range breaks, most likely you're coming back down to test the lows. So I would say that if you're looking to scoop up Dot for long-term holds, I would say anywhere between this box support and down here towards $10. So really anywhere between 16 and $10, you're looking to hold long-term spot. This might be the best place to buy some Dot. It is between 16 and 10. Really, anywhere below a 786 retracement, I think, is a good buy. But I would say really, really good buys below 15. You get it below there, I think you'd be looking pretty good. So that's what I'd say for Dot. Like I said, it's these charts look like they're probably going to come a little bit lower, especially after breaking the 786 fib. They'll probably come a little bit lower to me, unless Bitcoin decides to go back up here. But obviously, I'm waiting for more confirmation before we do. It looks like we're trying to hold that support here for Bitcoin, at least temporarily. So we'll see what happens. All right, guys. I will catch you guys tomorrow, 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Make sure you guys smack up that like button before you go. Smack the subscribe button if you're new. Make sure you guys do both of those. Definitely appreciate it, guys. And I will catch you in the next one. Peace. Don't panic, sell your crypto. I know you guys are upset. Don't panic, sell your crypto though. All right. Peace.